Welcome everyone to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to recover AliExpress password. So open the Google browser on your desktop or your PC and then open a new tab. There on the search bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official page on the AliExpress. Once you're at the official page, you need to move your mouse cursor to the account on the right side and then click on sign in. On the sign in page, you will need to click on forgot password and the recovery process for the account will begin. Now for the recovery, first of all, you need to provide the login ID, that is the email address or the member ID of your AliExpress account. Type in the email address. Then you need to swipe it to the very right for the validation and then click on submit. Now here on this page, you need to verify your email address. So by email verification, if your AliExpress account is still in use, click on verify now. If you'd like to verify your account by email verification, please follow the steps. A code has been sent to the email address of yours. You need to go and check your Gmail. There's the code from the AliExpress, the Alibaba group. Now you need to copy this code over here and paste it on this over here text box and click on submit. This will verify your email and you will be able to reset a new password for your account right away. Now type in the new password on the text box over here. Below you type the same password as above for the password confirmation. Then click on submit. And with that, the password reset is successful. That is, you have successfully recovered the AliExpress account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.